Hello and welcome once again to the Proforma Family Kitchen. We are serving up some serious flavor in today's episode.
We have some amazing family favorites to cook today, submitted by you, our Proforma family.
On the menu today, we're going to be making some Greek lemon chicken and an authentic chicken and dumplings recipe.
Yum! Well, let's get things rolling with the Greek lemon chicken submitted by Karp of KK Promotions.
So it is a kind of a Greek orientation, but it's just such a classic, unbelievable family dish. We've been making it in our family for over 30 years, and now the girls have graduated college and have date nights, and it's their go-to dish. It's the perfect dish to make for, 2 people, 4 people, 6, 8, 10. It's easy to pre-prep and have ready. So when you have guests over, it is an unbelievable smell in your house. People will go absolutely nuts. They'll want to take leftovers, and it's really one of the dishes I think that has some of the best leftovers ever. So those are really my tricks and little tidbits, and I really hope you enjoy it and make it a family recipe for you too.
So the first thing we're going to start is we're going to arrange our potatoes in the dish there. So these are peeled russet potatoes or Idaho potatoes. Some people might think that potatoes aren't very Greek, but I'll tell you, next time you go to your favorite Greek restaurant, look, and I guarantee you potatoes are on the menu. Next, we have some chicken that we have cut up. You'll see that whether
Just lay it in?
Yep, just lay it in. Kind of make it even though.
Even.
That's a mix of diced chicken breast as well as boneless thighs. You can do whole pieces of chicken. You can cut it up like this. And then season liberally with salt and pepper.
My
Liberally.
liberally might be different than
Yeah,
others.
you gotta watch it. He made lemon potatoes, and it was pretty much 90% lemon, 10% potato.
Okay, next we're gonna I'll pour it for you. We have some chicken stock that we have, or broth. Just wanna pour that nice. You wanna go evenly, don't just splash it in there. You'll wash away all your salt and pepper.
Good to know.
All right, and next the kind of fun part. Like I said, you see a lot of these flavors together. We have some lemon juice. Here you go, Mike. We're going to whisk together the lemon juice with our dried herbs. We have some oregano. You could do fresh. Let me pass that to you, Catherine. Fresh will go a lot further as well. Some garlic. Just cut them in half. You could always mince them lightly. Ground minced garlic will work also. And plenty of olive oil.
Ooh, pretty, pretty. It's very aromatic over here. See, look, I upgraded my vocabulary. How you doing,
That
Mike?
looks good because it's not going to mix completely together. That's just so it's even. Then we're going to pour that evenly over.
Do we need this anymore?
Nope, we're good. We're going to pour that evenly over.
Let's bring it over here so I don't make a mess.
There you go. Now he's thinking.
More of a mess.
Yeah. This is going to go in an oven for about an hour or so, or really what you want to look for is once the chicken's cooked through and the potatoes have cooked, because by the time the potatoes have cooked, the chicken's generally going to be cooked through. Then you want to baste as you go, get that turkey baster out that everybody leaves in their cabinets and everything. And there you go. So you see potatoes are cooked through, they brown slightly, plenty of juices there, the chicken nice and brown. You're always basting it, so that helps it keep moist. And
This
now we
looks
get to
so good.
try.
Let's dig in. Come on, peeps.
All right.
Yee, I'm excited.
I need some potato too. I like my carbs.
Very good.
So all those flavors, the lemon, the garlic, the oregano comes out.
I can
Definitely
taste the
tastes
Greek. Yeah, jinx.
I taste the Greek. There you go.
Jinx.
I can see why Kim has been making this for more than 30 years. Thanks for sharing it with us, Kim. And I just want to say this tastes like my mother's oregano chicken, and it is delicious.
Aw, that's high praise. Up next is another family favorite. We're going to chef up some chicken and dumplings from George Clare, hi George, of Proforma Design Management. Chef, how do we do this?
So this isn't just the chicken and dumplings. This is Grandma Hunter's chicken and dumplings. All right. So I really was glad we were able to get this recipe and do it today, George. And a lot of the recipes call for, particularly this one, of starting with the whole chicken. Now people get it cut up, but we were going to have a little fun and see how fast Chef D can break down a chicken.
All right.
All righty.
Go.
Do we got a timer going?
Yep.
Now,
Yeah.
I'm not wearing gloves just so I can keep fast, but we'll be okay with it. And go.
He's already faster than I am at this.
Show that chicken who's boss.
Just to have fun with it, because we got this nice knife.
Hey! Woo!
Boom.
Opa!
There you go.
Done.
Nice. Very nice. I'd say solid, like 45 seconds.
So next, the big thing with this, very straightforward recipe of taking those cut chicken pieces, simmering them in water. You can definitely do like an unsalted chicken broth or stock if you like. And then from there, once it's done, you let the chicken cool in it, which is a very big thing and helps it stay juicy. And then we just pull the meat apart. And now you got this beautiful stock that you have left. And then you have all your cooked chicken meat. So with the dumplings, very straightforward that we're using shortening, very traditional. That's what I'm saying. This is an authentic chicken and dumplings. We're not putting oil, we're not putting butter, just good old shortening, right?
Yeah.
So you want to cut these into strips.
Dumplings are like my favorite, so I'm very excited, especially for this part.
Now, if I do the shape, the size a little different, George, I'm just trying my best.
Heck yeah, man.
Then you want to just pull them a little bit, just to give them a little shape. And then we would put these in the water. They cook for about 10 minutes, and you lower the water, into the broth that we made. And you'll see they'll float, and they're really good. We had the chicken back, all one big pot, no big mess, and all that flavor and everything.
Woo.
So we're going to put these aside.
Mike is also a fan of dumplings.
Oh yes, I love dumplings.
Now
We're
we
like
get
a
to try,
dumpling
right,
house.
guys?
It looked like a little bow tie. when
It
we
does,
stretched.
yeah. We could like pinch it. Sorry, George. Hopefully that's okay.
Yeah, it is a little bit like that. So here a nice reveal with our chicken and dumplings.
Smells.
Oh, I thought you grabbed the
heavenly.
fork already.
I'm getting ready.
We're going to add our herbs, the finish. It also had in there if you wanted to put the herbs in the dumpling or in the broth itself. I chose to do it in the broth itself and everything. And you'll see, even though it doesn't get super thick, you could definitely thicken this more. Whether you added some flour you mixed with water, which is called a whitewash, or you did a slurry, which is with cornstarch and brought it up. But the dumplings themselves do thicken it.
Ooh.
I don't know if I can share this with you guys. The stuff
I
like
got
this
the
is just
fork, so I'll
amazing.
hold
You
hostage.
better.
I got the whole bowl.
I've got the butcher knife over here. I wouldn't try it.
She's got a dirty, bloody butcher's knife.
All right, this smells so good. So I'm gonna pass my forks around, and we're all gonna try it.
Thank you.
And you guys will see the dumplings and the way they puff up, but they're light.
Ooh, they're beautiful.
They could be maybe thinner. George, I'll have to defer to you on that exactly.
Well, chicken and dumplings are truly like a match made in heaven, guys. Thank you so much for sharing this with us, George. I absolutely love it.
Banging award.
And thank you to Chef D for bringing today's recipes to life for us. Until next time, don't forget to
Chef it up!